Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City. Right now I'm in Caesars Hotel and Casino. They made a lot of changes here over the winter. Want to give you guys a quick tour of the place, show you some of the new stuff, some of the stuff that hasn't changed. Let's go take a walk around this place and see what's going on, shall we? So Caesars has been working on this area of the hotel and casino all winter long, and everything. It's just been a ton of scaffolding and drop cloths and barriers, and everything is opened up now, and it really shows this place off nicely. It's just opened it up so much. It seems so much brighter and airier and roomier. Before it felt like you were in someone's basement. Caesars really needed this renovation, and it looks fantastic. We'll come back to the lobby in a moment. I wanted to show you guys the new entrance from the parking garage, and on our left we had the entrance to the Wild Wild West, one of two. I will show you the other one later in the video, and eventually we're going to end up back here by this hallway that leads from the parking garage to the hotel lobby near the end of the video. All of this is brand new. I remember coming this past winter, and I came here quite often, and I started to know some of the construction guys by face, and we would say hi to each other. They seemed like they were here 24/7. And I would joke with them saying, "You better be ready by the summer, you better be ready by the summer," and sure enough, they pretty much are. Even the old Taza Cafe got a nice facelift. Here's the elevators to the Ocean Tower. I never stayed at the Ocean Tower until my last visit, which was right here. So that room tour is coming up soon. Stay tuned. Bear in mind, guys, not only was Caesars busy all winter renovating that whole front end of the hotel and casino, but they were busy with restaurants too. They opened up Nobu as well as Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen. Lots of renovated rooms here in the towers, including the room that I was in this evening in the Ocean Tower. Again, that video will be coming up soon. And they got Spiegel World here now with the Hook Show, and I'm going to talk about that a little bit more later in the video. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And shout out to Robert Camacho, who found Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, in my latest Las Vegas video, the Harry Reid International Airport in Las Vegas. Congratulations, Robert Camacho. Let's head back downstairs now and see what's going on down there, shall we? Hold on tight. While I was recording the front of Morton's, a couple was coming out and they recognized me and said they had the best meal they've had in a long time. And speaking of people recognizing me, I got recognized a lot in my last 2 or 3 days here in Atlantic City, and I appreciate everyone that gave me a "Hey, Jeff from New York" shout out while I was walking around the hotels and casinos and boardwalk. Thank you so much. I know you're watching this, so if you can, leave a comment below and just say hi. More about the Hook and Super Frico later in the video. I can't wait to tell you guys all about it. It's opening up in a week. The Toga Bar in the lower casino here at Caesars Hotel and Casino. A great place, one of many great places for a cocktail here in Atlantic City.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the Hall of Shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed.
They reopened this connection to the Wild Wild West. It's formatted a little differently now. I'll take you guys through it right now.
I like to be away my patient. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
This new format for getting around from Caesars to the Wild Wild West is all necessary because they redid the theater for the show coming up, The Hook, which is going to open any day now. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. And don't forget, click on that thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video.
I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing.
Once in a while I'll be talking to someone and they'll say, Caesars in Atlantic City doesn't have a sports book, and I'm like, what are you talking about? The Wild Wild West is one of the best sports books here in Atlantic City. just in case you didn't know, you can go through the Wild Wild West and get to Caesars this way as well, which is pretty much where this video started. There's still a lot of construction going on here, however. Hey guys, if you're a fan of the New York channel, check out the new Facebook New York fan page. It's created and maintained by Dan Kraft, also known around here as Real Unc D. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you, Dan, so much for your hard work. And this is pretty much where the video started, so we went a complete circle, saw pretty much everything. I'm gonna head out to the boardwalk right now, see if I can get a picture of the exterior of the hook for you guys. Bad storm outside, so I'll see what happens. If you don't see it at the end of this video, it's because, well, I just didn't want to go outside.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.